Welcome back, guys. So today we're gonna do front brakes on the E36. I've been having a little bit of vibration, so I hope that this fixes that. I'm pretty sure it's the rotors. They're probably warped and the pads aren't that good. So we're gonna try to fix that today. Hopefully this does. Not sure how well the camera's gonna pick this up, but it's really grooved, as I was saying. Hoping this fixed my vibration issue. You guys might notice that these brakes are different. Napa had the rotors but not the brake pads, and I think Advance had the brake pads but not the rotors, so had to do a couple trips just to get this job done. Let's get to it. If you don't have one of these, this is what takes out these screws for me, no problem. If you ever had one that's stuck and you can't get out and you have to drill out, you know how much of a pain in the ass it is. So I would invest in one. I mean, you don't have to get a Matco one. I got a Matco one when I used to work at a dealership. I think Harbor Freight makes them now too. And Snap-on, of course, they have their own. But yeah, you can get one of these and it will literally save your ass. Super simple, super quick. But continue. So this is everything you're gonna need to do the brakes. It's pretty straightforward, so I'm gonna do a time lapse of it. Just like that. Back on the floor. Now the other side. Finish the driver's side. It's pretty much the same thing, just like I said over. The only difference is that this one has the brake sensor, the brake pad sensor. So that's pretty much the only difference. Yeah, it's done now. And we're gonna pump the pedal and take it on test drive. Just trying to make sure all that air is out of the system. I pumped it probably about 20 times, 20 to 30 times before I started it. And then once I start it, I keep pumping it. So I'm gonna turn it off again. And then pump it. Everything looks good. I'm just gonna let it sit here for a little bit and keep pumping it. As you guys might or might not know, I hate having a dirty garage. So I'm gonna clean this up real quick. Just like that. Just clean up a little bit. Looks a lot better. Got rid of all that. Put all my tools away. If you guys have any recommendations of what I should do with this wall, please let me know. I'm definitely going to get rid of all these things here, but I've been thinking about doing like a tire rack thing or something. But there's going to be a renovation to this garage for sure soon. But if you guys have anything you guys want to see on the wall, let me know. Everything's tightened up again. Torque the wheels down. Everything's back together. If the rotors don't fix this problem, I think what it might be is that my alignment's off and that's what's causing the shake. I did notice that it feels like there's less resistance and it doesn't wobble as much. I just drove around my neighborhood real quick, but we're gonna take it on a proper test drive to Steven's house. He's having a grad party today. All right, guys, so I'm on the way to Steven's house and I'm still having this vibration. I thought I fixed it with the steering, but it's not fixed. I think what it is now, it is the alignment. I think it's either the alignment or the wheel balance, or a wheel's bent, honestly. But it's not brakes, it's not suspension, so it brakes really nice though, I will say that. Feels really good until you get to 60 miles an hour, then it has a weird vibration, like I said. I think I just ran over one of my corner lights. Fuck, that sucks. I just heard it too. That fucking sucks.
Oh, we're switching off?
Fry.
Oh.
Right. I feel like I not only graduated, but we all graduated. We're amazing here. I definitely wouldn't have been able to get through it without any of my friends. So I appreciate every last one of you. And let's eat some cake.
Fire. Cookout's over and now I'm heading home. Check out Kevin's Mustang. I think it's pretty cool. I love the color. If y'all think I should paint the E36 another color, what color y'all think I should go with? Or wrap it. He wrapped his. But I've definitely been considering doing something about this awful paint job.
I don't know what you think of what you have, but young nigga grow. You added the 2 rings on both of my fingers, I pay like 600 or more.
If you guys made it this far to the video, like, comment, subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, and until next time.
Some mean ass people.